Hi, this is Ed for Bikerheadz, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Bering Carver jacket. Okay, so a completely new jacket for Bering 2020. This is a nice modern jacket, so you can see it's only available in one colourway, which is like this grey material. It looks like a really nice classy cotton material, but it's actually a soft shell. It just gives you a bit of texture with that grey and black fleck in it. So it's a beautiful colourway. You can get down to your local store and see when it looks even better in the flesh. Let's talk to you about some of the features of the Bering Carver. The Carver is meant to be a sort of smart, casual looking jacket, modern features which I'll talk you through in a minute, but it's completely waterproof and you can use it for your commute or riding around cities, whatever type of ride you're doing, this jacket's going to do a job for you. Let's talk about some of the features. So you've got a simple neck closure on the top here, super soft around the top here as well, so it's really comfortable. You've got double pocket on the breast here, so there's loads of storage on the breast, and then you've got two hand-warm pockets down the bottom. Now, one thing you might notice about this product is you've got this water-resistant zip, which gives that ultra-modern technical feel, even though this is a city-style jacket. So you've got this water-resistant zip down the front, water-resistant zips on the hand-warm pockets here, and then standardised zips on the interior breast pockets here. Running around to the side, your elbow and shoulder protectors. Again, being a Bering product, you've got those elbow protectors with two adjustable positions, so you can get the elbow protector exactly where you want it, whether you've got long arms or short arms. That's going to fit you nicely. Around the bottom of the cuff here, you've got a simple snap adjuster on the cuff, 3 positions, so it's easy to use. Once you've set that in the position you want, you've then got a zip to get in and out, so you can get your gloves in the right position, set your poppers, zip to get in and out. Super easy. One of my favourite cuff systems is this dual system. Again, you'll notice on the arm here, you've got a small pocket here, put a parcel or anything you need to get to quickly in that pocket there. Running around to the back, ventilation running down the back of the product here, so you can get airflow out of the jacket and behind you and away, so some of that moisture can come out, increasing the breathability. Nice and simple down the back. Running it back to the front, you've got one of the major features, this water-resistant zipper down the front here, as I said earlier. Storm flap, which matches the exterior of the jacket. Little details that make all the difference when you're buying a quality product from Bering. Storm flaps folded over and stitched, so again the water runs down and off. You've got a simple pocket which is easy access inside the lining. This is where you're going to keep your phone, keep it nice and dry. But if I open it up, you'll see the inside you've got this destination lining. If I just open these snaps on the inside here, you'll be able to see that the lining comes completely away and you've got a complete destination lining. That's your puffer jacket to wear on the inside. Really warm down lining. It's going to keep you really warm in the winter. But when you get to where you're going, you can take your jacket, all your armour off, all your waterproofing. You're left with a nice warm layer, mid-layer under your jacket that you can wear on its own, whether you're going into the city for a coffee, whether you're going on a tour and you want something to wear underneath when you get to where you're going, stopping at a cafe. That's built in as standard. Running back to the outside of the jacket, the real bones of the jacket is the membrane. You've got a BWTech 100 Plus membrane, which is Bering's standard membrane with the laminated liner on the inside for increased wickability, durability and breathability inside the product. So you've got a highly technical product, great price point. As with all Bering jackets and trousers, 3-year extended warranty extendable on bikerheadz.co.uk. If you need any more information on this jacket or any of the Bering range, please go to bikerheadz.co.uk.